Hello ladies and gentlemen, this time I will be unboxing a rechargeable 9V battery. It's not very common to find a rechargeable 9V battery online, and probably impossible to find them in stores at this time. This kind of battery would be useful for those who use 9V battery frequently. For example, in remote controls, for remote control toys, in Arduino projects and other applications. I got this one at Aliexpress.com because the price was lowest and I could wait for a month until it arrives. Seems like right now, battery like this can be purchased from Aliexpress for a total of $9.10 with shipping. I will put a link for you for this item in the comments below. Let's open up the box, get the battery out, and this is what the battery looks like. I'm shocked how light the battery is. It's about 3 times lighter than a regular 9V battery. Here is a charge level indicator. You press a button and it shows you how much juice is left. Nice. You charge it with a micro USB cable. It's not included with the battery. Hopefully you have one laying around at home. Let's try to charge it up. Here we go. Right now it shows how much it's already charged. We wait a few seconds and LED starts to blink when it's been charged. Awesome. So it will stop blinking when the charging is complete. Now let's check the voltage with the voltmeter. I switched the dial to 9V. This is a negative. This one is positive. And we have 9.23 volts. That's not bad. Regular batteries are also showing voltage higher than 9V when they're new. In specifications, it claims to have 800 mAh. This is much less than a regular Duracell or Energizer 9V battery would have, but the point of this battery is to be rechargeable. With today's technology, it's still not easy to make a battery that would have a large capacity, would be this small, and to be rechargeable all at once. Now I will show you what the battery looks like inside and what it's made of. This is a LiPo battery. LiPo is short for lithium polymer. This is the micro USB connector. This is charging and discharging circuit board. And this is that level checking button. So this is what's inside of the whole battery. Based on the wasted empty space inside of the battery, I think a much thicker LiPo battery could fit inside, providing more capacity. Seems like designers didn't take advantage of the additional available space. I took all the guts out, and here on the circuit board we can see that it was designed on the year 2017, month 5 and day 4. So this board was designed on May 4th, 2017. Alright, now I'll put it all together into its original shell. Like this. That's it, the battery is like new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button to let others see it as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is your opportunity to subscribe, so you don't miss my future cool videos. See you later.